How to delete Snapchat account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete the Snapchat account. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, you simply have to scroll down and tap on delete account. And after that, on the next page, Snapchat will ask you to enter your username and password to confirm. So here, simply log in with your username and password, and after that, just confirm your account deletion by putting your account information on the next page. And after that, you can just tap continue to confirm, and after that, your Snapchat account will be deactivated. And with that, just an important note is that your account will stay deactivated for 30 days, and if you don't log back in during this time, your account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.